Need to do me hair, but me kind of stressed out. Yeah, so I want to say to the people in Jamaica right now, it's been a while since I heard from anybody in Jamaica. Yeah, this is my real face without filter or anything. Yeah, this is my real hair. My real face, my real hair. There's no filter, no filter. See, nothing jumping. See, this is my real face. This is my real hair. My real face, my real hair. See? Nothing jumping. So today I wanna say, yes, this is my real face. My real face. See, there's nothing jumping. I don't have on no eyelash. I don't have on anything. See? This is my real face. Nothing jumping, as I said. See? I just like to use the filter because I think it look nice. Bumbleclot. Anyway, I want to say condolences to everybody in Jamaica who pass over, like who transition to the other side. May the good people soul rest in peace and move on in peace. I haven't heard from my relatives, my sister. I don't hear from my mom. I don't hear from anybody down there. My auntie, nobody. Except my big brother, the father. So he told me that St. Thomas side is not so bad. I heard from one of my neighbor friend in Negril that the whole of Sav mash up, the whole of Negril mash up, the whole everywhere down so flatten. And actually I was not feeling anyway because I remember this hospital tried to take away my Luna from me, my baby, one time. So I wasn't feeling anyway, but I heard thousands of body in Savile on the street. I was thinking it's justified. It's karma, it's justified. But literally, the amount of people dead that they have to go push the people together and bury them in big graves, something like this. That's what's going on in Savile in Jamaica. So now I don't even know what to do. Where say? Yeah, I said this is my real face. I have no filter, no smooth, no makeup, no nothing. This is my real face. And this is my real hair, see? My real afro. Anyway, for all the people who can assist people in Jamaica, please do so. Bruh. Hello, Max Wagwan. Max, where you deal with? Edges, God is here, fully loaded. Shatawale Street Crown for the Grammy. Ibenza. Well, I'm not feeling so well today because too much people dead, you understand? So I'm not feeling so well. You know, see, I don't even do no makeup. This is my real eye color, you see? It's my real eye color. No filter, no smooth, no hair comb. I'm stressed the fuck out. That's what I want you to know. Hello, night birdie wagwan. And I also been crying. Invite Gia. I'm not using no filter today. Me like use the TikTok filter them. Hey! I'm coming to Ghana in December. I'm coming to Ghana. As I said, condolences to all the people them who passed over in Jamaica recently from Wicked Girl Melissa. And I hope that everybody is like helping each other. And I hope that people stop put material things in front. You understand? And love each other more than put material things in front. Because everything can get destroyed. You understand? No matter how rich you are or how poor you are. It's not a good thing, you see, to fight each other when you only have each other in this world. A lie, we only have each other. So the bad mind thing no make it. The grudgeful and bad mind thing, it no make sense. Luna! Pick me up, come.